What's up, guys? We got a 2022 Honda CRV. They busted the window, ransacked the car. So basically, we added the shock sensor to the factory alarm. Anybody in Miami, Homestead, or Fort Lauderdale, give us a call. Our numbers is 305-298-4814, and we do come out. If you're out of state, don't worry. We have the DIY kits. We'll ship it to you. It's a full wire hookup. The system will already come prepped, ready to go, and we'll provide you with the installation video. You should not have any difficulty doing it. But anyway, the reason why you must have a shock sensor, because factory alarms only work if somebody opens the door, the trunk, or the hood. But if you break a window and jump in, it's not going to happen. And that's exactly what they did. They broke the window and jumped in. Hopefully, if you're watching this video, you didn't get ripped off. But if not, you give us a call if you want for us to provide you the kit. Or if you're in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Homestead, we can do the installation for you. And we do come out. We have mobile service. If I have not installed the kit, pretty much I can destroy this whole car with a baseball bat. As long as I don't open any of the doors, the factory alarm is not going to go off. And we thank you for watching this video.